Have you ever wondered how many types of rocks there are in our vast and beautiful world? It might surprise you to learn that all of the rocks in the world can be classified into just three main types. Yes, only three. These are igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. Imagine you're on a grand adventure, exploring a mysterious, rock-filled landscape. As you journey, you'll encounter these three types of rocks, each with its own fascinating story to tell. First, let's set our sights on igneous rocks. Picture a volcano erupting, spewing out hot, molten rock called magma. When this magma cools and hardens, it forms igneous rocks. Granite is a common example of an igneous rock. You might have seen it in kitchen countertops. Intriguing, isn't it? Now, continue your adventure to a quiet, peaceful river. The river is carrying tiny bits of rock and soil called sediments. Over time, these sediments pile up, layer upon layer, and harden into sedimentary rocks. A well-known sedimentary rock is sandstone, often seen in desert landscapes. Finally, venture deep into the heart of towering mountains. There, under intense heat and pressure, other rocks transform into metamorphic rocks. Marble, used in grand sculptures and buildings, is a type of metamorphic rock that started out as limestone, a sedimentary rock. What a journey for a humble piece of limestone. So, to summarize, igneous rocks form from cooled magma or lava. Sedimentary rocks are created from layers of settled sediment. Metamorphic rocks are born from other rocks that have been changed by heat and pressure. Isn't it astounding how diverse and interesting rocks can be, even though there are just three main types? Each rock, whether igneous, sedimentary, or metamorphic, has its own unique tale of transformation. Remember, every rock you see, whether it's in the mountains, by the river, or even in your own backyard, has a story to tell. And now, you can be the one to uncover these stories because you know the secrets of the rocks.